More evidence of water on Mars. A fresh crater on Mars has revealed a hidden cache of frozen water in some of the latest photos from a powerful NASA spacecraft. A fairly recent pulse color image from NASA's Mars Reconnaissance orbiter clearly shows a patch of Mars water ice at the bottom of a 20-foot, 6-meter wide crater in the Martian surface. The photo came from the orbiter's high-resolution, high-rise camera, RHIRISC. The young crater is in the northern hemisphere of Mars. Scientists suspect it formed only recently, sometime between April 2004 and January of 2010, said Nathan Bridges, a high-rise science team member at the Applied Physics Laboratory. Bridges said the icy crater is farther south than some other sightings of buried water ice. It appeared in one of hundreds of Mars photos taken between June 6th and July 7th of this year. It's showing we're getting ice pretty far south, Bridges said. As we continue to look at these things, it's a good way to determine where shallow ice is on Mars. Yes, more evidence of water ice. The ice patch covers an area of up to 20 square feet, 2 square meters. It is probably at the same depth and has a similar origin to that excavated by the Phoenix lander back in 2008, he wrote in an image description. NASA's Phoenix Mars lander touched down in the Martian Arctic in May 2008 and found evidence of water ice just beneath the surface using a small scoop at the end of its robotic arm. This also is not the first time ice-filled Martian craters have been found and photographed by the high-rise camera. The orbiting spacecraft first spotted exposed ice in Martian craters in August 2008, and scientists announced the discovery in September 2009. The ice did not last. It ultimately turned straight into vapor in a process known as sublimation. Scientists were surprised at the time to find the water ice was 99% pure, with just a smidge of Mars dust mixed in. A layer of ice could have remained insulated from the Martian environment for up to 400,000 years until an impact disrupted its protective covering, a team of Mars researchers said in 2009. That is why people think it's so pure, because it's fairly young and hasn't been mixed in with other materials, Bridges said. Come the next Martian summer, Bridges said, the high-rise team will likely take additional pictures to check up on the crater. And there is a high possibility that there could be underground reservoirs of water. It is possible. Yes, there is water ice on Mars. And water is life. So they have found life in some kind of way. And all these are more signs of the times. Perhaps someday humans will live on Mars, and it will, or it is, a part of the future. These are more signs of the end times, transition days, which is a continuing day-by-day process, because it's about the future generations and what kind of world or worlds are we leaving to them. And this is a prophecy, something in the future. So again, water is life.